Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I am going to show you how to transform your galaxy with next level customization. So let's begin. Okay guys, first set this wallpaper on your galaxy device. Tap on done. Now first go to lock screen, tap and edit lock screen. Now arrange this wallpaper like this. Tap on clock and set this clock style and set small size. Like this. Now select this color and tap on done. Now tap and again edit lock screen. Again edit your lock screen, but before edit lock screen, download Good Lock from Galaxy Store and update all Good Lock modules. After update, tap and edit your lock screen. Tap on lock star, tap on add widget and go to live widget and tap on GIF widget. Now simply tap and add this butterfly GIF like this. Guys, these all GIFs, wallpapers, download link available on description. Simply set GIF like this and tap on done. Now look at this our lock screen. This is really looking awesome, right? Now go to home screen. Okay, now apply icon pack. Open this app and simply search dark 3D UI and search. After search, guys, look at these icons. These dark 3D icons download and apply on your Galaxy device. How to apply these icon packs on your Galaxy device? Full video link available on description. You simply watch this video and after apply icon pack, then follow next steps. Look at this. I apply these icon packs. Guys, after apply these icon packs, go to Good Lock and simply enable Home Up module. You can see turn on Home Up module and turn on home screen option. Also turn on DIV home screen option. Now look at this our home screen. First simply go to setting, display setting, go to navigation bar and enable full screen gesture. Now arrange icons. Arrange icons like this. Now look at this. I arrange icons. Okay, after arrange icons, add dark widgets like this. Guys, simply set small size with div option. Now look at this, I set also widget size. Now add gallery widget like this. And set also gallery widget size. Look at this guys, arrange your gallery widget like this. After arrange, simply tap and select image. Guys, these all images download link available on description. Simply select, tap on done. Now look at this home screen. Guys, simply tap on hold, create stack, and again add this same gallery widget, but add different image like this. Tap on edit, again add gallery widget, select image, and look at this, our home screen. Okay, let me show you second home screen. Simply tap and go to widget, go to photo widget easy app, tap and add PNG images like this. And arrange this image with this frame. Simply tap on widget, create stack, go to again photo widget easy app, again add different PNG image. Now guys, our customization is complete. Now look at this, my Galaxy device completely transformed into next level. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.